ఆకాశం దిగి వచ్చింది, అంతరిక్షం చేరువైంది. గగన తలాన్ని చీల్చుకుంటూ ఎగిరే రాకెట్లు కళ్ళ ముందు సాక్షాత్కరించాయి. వీటిని చూడడానికి స్టూడెంట్స్ వేలాదిగా తరలివచ్చారు. విక్రమ్ సారాభాయ్ శతజయంతి ఉత్సవాల సందర్భంగా వరంగల్ నిట్లో బుధవారం, గురువారం ఏర్పాటు చేసిన అంతరిక్ష పరిశోధన ప్రదర్శన ఆకట్టుకుంది. నేషనల్ రిమోట్ సెన్సింగ్ సెంటర్ నిట్, వరంగల్ విద్యా విభాగం, రెడ్ క్రాస్ సొసైటీ సంయుక్తంగా ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఏర్పాటు చేశాయి. కార్యక్రమానికి ఇస్రో నేషనల్ రిమోట్ సెన్సింగ్ సెంటర్ మాజీ డైరెక్టర్ డాక్టర్ వి జయరామన్ హాజరై స్వాగతోపన్యాసం ఇచ్చారు.
This boy is going to become a very big man in the country. He predicted when he was 7 years old. And not only that, Sarabhai was born on August 12, 1919. At the age of 7, 1926, the Tagore was mentioned that. In 1935, when Sarabhai was only 16 years old, Tagore gave a recommendation letter for Sarabhai to get admission in Cambridge University. Sarabhai went to UK, joined John College under the Cambridge University. It is undergraduation there. World War II broke up in 1939. 1939, World War II started. So Sarabhai has returned from Cambridge University to Ahmedabad. But he came to Ahmedabad with the condition, saying that I will do my PhD under C.V. Raman, Dr. C.V. Raman. So he reached Bangalore. In Bangalore, he worked under C.V. Raman during that time, 1940 to 1945. He did his PhD in cosmic ray analysis. Cosmic ray, the time variation of cosmic ray is studied at that time.
V. Jayaraman, ex-director NRC and also the advisor to Indian Space Research Organization, the chief guest of today's function, our beloved director, Professor N.V. Raman Rao Garu, the person who has taken a lot of pains to make this happen, Dr. Rajashri from NRC, Hyderabad, the person who is behind in mobilizing the entire student community of Warangal, our district collector, now in his absence, our special officer, Manu Chaudhary, IAS, and Sri Narayan Reddy Garu, DO, Vijay Chandra Reddy Garu, Chairman IRSC, and Madam. You are the drivers of the future. The destiny of our country and the world is in your hands. So if you are exposed to this kind of a right technologies at the right time, yes, India can be secured about its future. Not just India and the world as well. And I also thank the district administration who are very proactive in coming forward and making all these arrangements. The DO Narayan Reddy and his team, I have seen for the last several days they have been working so much that they were all the time in the campus inquiring about the facilities, making arrangements, and it is your great effort that today so many students are benefited. And the Red Cross, so that readiness to be on the forefront in all that matters for the good of the people. Thank you very much, sir. And the chief guest, even though he is busy, occupied, and otherwise it's difficult to travel a long distance like Warangal away from Hyderabad. Sir, thank you very much. You have come and you are delivering that Vikram Sarabhai Memorial Lecture. Hearty welcome to you all once again. And hearty welcome to the 1,000 students in our adjacent auditorium where this program is live telecast. And this will be put up on YouTube. It is being recorded so that greater number of students get the benefit of the thoughts and wisdom of our Sri V. Jayaraman and draw the inspiration. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, I request Professor N.V. Raman Rao, Director NIT Warangal, to address the gathering.
Very distinguished chief guest, Dr. V. Jayaraman former Satish Dhawan Professor and Senior Advisor ISRO Headquarters, and formerly Director, National Remote Sensing Center, ISRO. My colleague, Professor Elaji Reddy, Dean Student Affairs, Sri Manu Chaudhary, IAS, District, Warangal District Urban, in charge, and Dr. Sri K. Narayan Reddy Garu, Sri Dr. Vijay Chandra Reddy, Srimati K. Prashant, Rajashri, press, media, and students from various schools in and around Warangal. So at the outset, let me extend a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of NIT Warangal. We are very glad that we are jointly organizing this Vikram Sarabhai Centenary Program, which is a centenary exhibition and Sarabhai Memorial Lecture as a tribute to the great son of India. Every year they are completed, and Dr. Jairam was telling me this happens to be the 50th year of ISRO. It happens to be the 100th year of Vikram Sarabhai. It also happens to be 150th year of Mahatma Gandhi. So, I'm glad that we are organizing this in collaboration with the District Administration of Warangal, Urban, and the Indian Red Cross Society. Thanks to Srinivas and Dr. Vijay Chandra Reddy for having mobilized so many students. NIT Warangal, as you are all aware, is among the first RECs in the whole country and has been in the forefront of technical education in the whole country. We have produced many distinguished alumni who are doing very well, and in fact we also had the opportunity to invite many scientists.
The students, ladies and gentlemen, the students who are watching this from the other auditorium, and many who are missing this event and they are in the exhibition. At the outset, let me just thank everyone who has helped in organizing this program, which is of 2 days at NIT Warangal. Before my presentation starts, I'm just giving a brief outline about the total program and what is this Vikram Sarabhai Centenary Program and why we are celebrating it in short, what we have done during last 1.5 months before this slides go. This year, as you have already heard, is the centenary of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and in that Indian Space Research Organization is going to have Vikram Sarabhai Centenary Exhibition and the Memorial Lecture at all the 100 locations all over the country. And today we are on December 4th, we are at NIT Warangal to celebrate one of this program. Before I start about the Vikram Sarabhai program, since we are from National Remote Sensing Center and I head one unit called Outreach Facility, which is of the importance to students, I will just tell about this facility. This facility is a part of National Remote Sensing Center where the students, academia, industry, all can interact with us. We provide student projects to the students who are doing their MTech, BTech, MSc or PhD. So whenever they want to have their summer projects or the winter projects, they can come and work with us. We have the different trainings for schools and college students. We have the project specific workshop. We have industrial collaboration and also the academic partnership where we do the student projects, respond projects, and we involve the academia in this activity. I have students from all over the country, and the center is very young, just 2 years old. Our students, how they perform, so they have presented 8 papers in the different journals, 9 conference papers, popular lectures we deliver, and more than 26,000 students have visited us as their academic tour. So we have a small facility at GD Metla at Hyderabad where students from different places they come and visit us, and we get visitors from all over the country. People can approach us at gmoutreach@nrsc.gov.in. Now coming to Dr. Vikram Sarabhai program, as I mentioned, 100 sites are selected all over the country where this program is going to be held. The first inauguration was held at Ahmedabad on 12th of August, and concluding program is going to take place again 12th August at Thiruvananthapuram. That is the last place of Dr. Sarabhai. We are going to organize 6 locations at Telangana. We have already completed 3. One at Hyderabad, second one was Khammam, and third one was at Karimnagar. And we are today to celebrate our 4th program at NIT Warangal. The 2 locations, the further locations are Nalgonda and Nizamabad, and they will be coming in the month of January and February first week. So that is all about the Telangana program, and we have 2 locations, that is in Chhattisgarh, Raipur and Bilaspur. This was when we go, so we get the support. So here we have the NIT Warangal Red Cross Society District Administration, and accordingly a brochure was made which was circulated to different schools. District Administration is has taken a lot of interest in this, and with the help of Collector and the DOs and Red Cross Society and NIT Warangal, we are here today where we are expecting more than 20,000 students to visit this facility in 2 days. We have a lot of facility in this. And this is the pre-program, the things which have come in the newspaper, which you might have seen. And what we all have, we have lectures, we have space exhibitions, we have satellite models, launch vehicle models, we have space on wheel bus, so you kindly go through that. They are arranged in the other side of this campus. We have selfie corners, space prize club, water rocket launching is there, so continuously that activity is going on.
Next, the district administration will illustrate the details. Next we have the felicitation by the Red Cross Society. Finally, we have the felicitation by NRSC Hyderabad.
Vikram Sarabhai Centenary Program, Centenary Exhibition and Vikram Sarabhai Memorial Lecture, jointly organized by National Remote Sensing Center, ISRO Hyderabad, National Institute of Technology, NIT Warangal, District Administration, Warangal Urban, Indian Red Cross Society, Warangal Urban. Firstly, I take the proud privilege to thank the esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Dr. Vijay Raman Garu, for giving his inspiring lecture and inspiring the young scientists, young minds. And I would like to thank Sri N.V. Ramana Rao sir, Director NIT, for giving this opportunity to install this program in this NIT and giving such inspiring lecture to the children. I would like to thank Sri Manu Chaudhary sir, IAS, for giving his guidance to make success this program. I would like to thank Dr. B. Rajeshri Garu and his team, Vikram Sarabhai, Centenary Program Director, NRSC Hyderabad, who is taking key role to success this program, and she is the
Punjab Sindh